Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. Firstly, you need to open App Gallery on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. From here, you need to install this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now choose Send over here at the bottom left corner of your HUAWEI smartphone and tap on Receive next to it on HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. Now you need to click on Yes, I agree or No thanks and select Close this window. Then click on all of those dots on your HUAWEI smartphone and tap on Send over here next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and then send them. It will take some time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, click on Send and tap on Got it. As you can see now, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon next to input key on HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, choose Allow only when in use or Allow this time only, and point our camera at the QR code. But we can also tap on the back button and input this key over here instead. Then tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!